See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
I beg in all this crossfire, make them remove our king. Yoruba land, we respect our king so much. Ojaja is not a small kabisi. Ojaja is our number one. Please, I will not go to the north or to Edo and mention their king. Let us be guided. That number with that girl they carry say na king. Na fake number o. Na fake number o. Ojaja as Oloris. And they are world class Oloris. Ojaja cannot go solo. Solo. Messaging one girl. It cannot happen. It cannot. It is impossible. Please, in all this crossfire, make Ojaja no day inside this crossfire. Wallahi. All the bloggers where they carry, respect our king. Do not cross that line. Yorubas, we don't play with our kabesi. Respect our king. Do not cross that line. It's in a country where government they work. Shey na individual supposed to they fix our school. If nobody say everything done pafuka. Local government chairman in Nigeria, in the last 1 year, they've gotten over 5.5 trillion. How come they are not fixing our schools? How come they are not fixing our inner roads? Now government failure make we no involve our traditional rulers. I beg you in the name of God. In this crossfire, bloggers, be guided. Be guided. Ojaja na our papa. Ojaja na our father. Do not go close. Don't even try it. Do not. I beg you. And Daki, I don't call you. Please return my call. Make we remove Ojaja from this thing. Oh. Make we remove Ojaja. I'm behind you. I'm supporting you. But Ojaja must not be there. Oni of FIFA must not be in this crossfire. Now, God, I take beg you. I beg you. Make it no happen again. Make we face the people where they make us suffer. We put us for this level. No be them. They are trying their best. Kabesi, Emabino, Kadekpelorio.